Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Laura Bruno, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you one of my favorite recipes. It's a pork loin. It's so delicious and so easy to make, so let's get started. So what you'll need is 2 pounds of pork loin, 2 tablespoons of oil that's divided, 1 tablespoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of black pepper, 1 tablespoon of garlic powder, and 1 tablespoon of Italian seasoning. So I'm going to mix the seasonings together. I'm going to start off with putting oil onto the pork loin. Just rub it in. You're going to take your seasoning and sprinkle it on top. You're going to rub it in. And you're going to do this to the other side. So to my skillet, I have 1 tablespoon of oil, and you want the oil nice and hot. So once the oil is nice and hot, you're going to take the pork loin, put it into the skillet, and you're just going to let it brown. And you brown it on all sides. So while the pork is browning, you need to heat your oven to 400 degrees because after this you're going to be putting it into the oven. So now that the pork is all brown, you're going to remove it. Put it onto a baking pan. And you're going to put it into the oven for about 25 to 30 minutes. And the internal temperature should be between 145 and 150. And I'll show you what it looks like when it's finished. So I just took the pork out of the oven. It did rest about 5 minutes. And now I'm going to cut into it so you can see the inside. So the internal temperature is like 145 to 150. Oh, it smells so good. I need to take a piece. So this is what the inside looks like. It's so tender. It's tasty, so delicious. And here you have it, pork loin. It's so delicious. Okay guys, comment, like, share, and subscribe. Bye guys.